Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to unlock Nokia 110 model number TA-1192. This is also known as Nokia 2019. As usual, we have here one no-lock sample. As you can see, it's asking for the SIMLOCK code. So in order to unlock it, I'm going to use the Furiousgold box and the SPD service tool from pack 2. So let's power off the device. Now from the models, we select Nokia 110. From the operations, I'm going to choose remove SIMLOCK and press connect. Once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to connect the powered off mobile to the USB cable while keeping the right soft key button. So let's do this. Right soft key button, and we insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. As you can see, we have here the code to unlock the mobile. So let's detach the USB cable and let's power on the phone and try it. So let's enter the SIM code, hash P W plus done. The code got accepted. Now let's wait for the signal. As you can see, Vodafone Romania, full signal, so the phone got successfully unlocked. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.